You don't want to know the end of the joke?
No, because you left out the pot of glue part.
No, I knew you'd get stuck on that.
Michael's got jokes, and that's what he does during breaks. Yes.
Oh, that was so worth the setup. Folks, I had Tanya set up with a joke during a commercial break, and I just wanted to finish it off right there. I knew you'd get stuck on that.
I'd be stuck on that pot of glue. Yeah, I get it.
Well, Brindley Burns, I'm not trying to steal any of your thunder. I want you to know that I was holding this because with a smile like that, I knew you would have gotten the joke as well. What a beautiful picture with the foliage there. That is marvelous.
Nice.
Happy 11th to Brindley. She is celebrating in St. Paul, and I want you to know, B squared, this comes with love from Grandma and Grandpa.
Right, Lakin Sullivan.
Hey, what's up, Lakin?
Oh, somebody's at the beach. Loving it. Lakin is 12 years old in Frontenac.
Happy birthday, kiddo. Brent Hensley is celebrating number 15, and that fine animal that she's up along, that is Happy. And this truly warms my heart right here. Brent Hensley is a barrel racer.
Nice. Nice.
Yep, that makes me extremely happy right there. Happy 15th, Bryn in Nevada, and you tell Happy I said hello as well.
Julius Courtney turning 15 years old this year. Happy birthday to Julius. Looks like he's getting some dinner there for his birthday.
What we got there?
Yeah, it's a Chatter's menu there.
And a wine rack.
Well,
Careful, Julius, you're 15, my man.
I think that's just where he's sitting there. Yeah. With birthday love coming from Mom, Mia, Bailey, Addie, and Derby.
All right, we got a big birthday party that's going to commence in Carthage. We have Chloe, who obviously they're at Missouri Southern right there in Joplin. But anyway, the family's from Carthage because we have Chloe Black, who's celebrating her 19th birthday, and it just so happens that Mom, Amy, celebrates her 46th birthday. How cool is that? That is tremendous. A very happy birthday to Chloe and Amy. Now the rest of the family, they know they've got work to do today to make sure that they prepare for 2 birthdays, but I hope Amy and Chloe, I hope you get to sit back and enjoy your birthdays together.
All right, Beth Ashmore turning 75 years old this year. And yes, she's ready for beach life. I love that shirt.
You know
love
what?
it.
She deserves it.
Right, and yes, she does. It says she is a retired registered nurse and still volunteers as a pink lady at the Ascension Via Christi Hospital in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday from all the Johnsons.
That is one of those people that you can't even imagine the lives that she's touched during her time as a nurse. Beth, you know I love and adore you. A very happy birthday to you. And I love that shirt too. That is awesome. You deserve that. Bessie Ferguson, she is celebrating her 93rd birthday. Speaking of beautiful colors, my goodness. That is a wonderful shot, Miss Ferguson. She is in Mound Valley. I really think that's cool with the flowers matching her sweater right there. Very nice.
And we've got one of our many four-state heroes, Mr. Earl Hemphill, turning 93 years old this year in Columbus. Happy birthday, Mr. Earl.
This is pretty interesting. We have another 93rd birthday. We have 3 93s today. That is amazing. And that is Junior Perez right there. Iola Rotary Car Show. It looks like that's where he was. Junior is in Humboldt. And Mr. Perez, I want you to know that we've got very happy birthday wishes coming from a number of people, including Alice, Philip, Aaron, Mario, Deidre, Eric, Mary, and then all the grandkids. Happy birthday, Junior.
All right, Deb Green in Persons. Lovely picture of you there. Happy birthday. Hope you have a great one.
We're getting spoiled with these pictures today. They've been phenomenal. Andy and Heather Peterman, we want to congratulate you. Oh my gosh, talk about a beautiful, beautiful shot right there. Andy and Heather Peterman, we want to congratulate you on your 3rd anniversary. The Petermans are in Columbus. That is not to be confused with Jay Peterman. That is from a completely different TV show.
And you can say it.
What? Who that is?
Who that is?
Who that is? All right, so you want me to do the spiel?
Well, I mean.
You do your spiel, and then I'll do mine.
Okay, I'll start it off. Okay, so Mr. Will York, of course, he is the one responsible for putting together our lovely birthday list and all of the lovely pictures every morning. So it's nice when we finally get to honor him with his birthday today.
I was really hoping that he would try to put his on one of the graphics without the picture, just so I could rail on him, because he knows I would have done it. Will, you know, we all love you. You're an invaluable part of our morning team, and I think as much work as you do, I actually enjoy talking more sports with you than anything else. We truly love you, my man. Truly love you.
Yes.
Raise your hand. Raise your hand.
There you go. All right, so Will.
That's our. Wait. We gotta give people an idea. Tim, Tim, get in the shot. All right, there's Tim. That is our director. And then Will, raise your hand. This, folks, is a live look. And this gives you, I love this shot. That is the birthday boy on the left. I love this shot because it gives you an idea of everything that they're in charge of behind the scenes. That it almost looks overwhelming when I look at it like that. And yet they pull it off each and every day, a multitude of times, multiple shows.
And yes, they like to work in the dark.
Will, wave goodbye.
Hey, Will, Will, when you get a chance, run into the newsroom. We got something special for you in there.
Linda Town, she's celebrating her 61st birthday. Miss Linda, very happy birthday to you in Iola. Dustin Major is turning 44. Happy birthday to Dustin in Columbus. And Jean Ann Pierce, yeah, her birthday was yesterday, but Miss Jean Ann, if it's okay with you, we're going to celebrate it all week long. A very, very happy birthday.
And we've got Connie Edwards and Gerard with love from the family, turning 58 years old.
Why doesn't somebody's son do something nice for Dad and send it a picture? But go ahead, you announce his birthday, and then I'll get to the bottom of it.
All right, Steve Jacquino, turning 67 in St. Paul.
Happy birthday, Mr. Jacquino.
And finally, last but not least, definitely Jason and Melissa Earl celebrating 20 years of wedded bliss there in Jasper, Missouri.
A happy birthday and happy anniversary.